The name Waco comes from the initials of the original company's name, Weaver Aircraft Company. Founded in the early 1920s, this aircraft was certified in April 1934. The model Ykc became the company's best-selling model. They were comfortable, fast, and well-equipped. On September 28, 1934, an application for a commercial aircraft license states was submitted. It showed the date of manufacture as September 1934. The application was approved and the aircraft number became November Charlie 14066. A repair and alteration form states both propeller blades were straightened at the 30-inch station. This form shows January 24, 1938 as the date of the accident that bent the blades. Another repair and alteration form dated May 5, 1938. A splice was made along the rear spar carry-through and the motor mount. All wing fittings were removed and replaced. The aircraft must have flipped over as the landing gear wasn't damaged. This aircraft came to Alaska in Dillingham on November 26, 1939. The following January, a repair and alteration form shows the installation of Washington aircraft skis, model 3600. From 1941 to 1988, Waco, November 14066, suffered a number of accidents, alterations, and repairs. Alterations including changes in the electrical system from 12 volts to 24 volts and back to 12 volts, changes in propeller types, changes in engines to increase from 225 horsepower to 300 horsepower, and additional windows in the cabin's rear sides. When Waco model Ykc aircraft came from the manufacturing plant, their specifications were as follows, even though they may have been modified at a later date. General characteristics: crew 1, length 25 feet 2.5 inches, wingspan 33 feet 2.62 inches, height 8 feet 6 inches, wing area 240 square feet, empty weight 1,773 pounds, useful load 1,227 pounds, payload 727 pounds, gross weight 3,000 pounds, power plant Jacobs R-755, maximum speed 143 miles per hour, cruise speed 125 miles per hour, range 430 miles, service ceiling 15,000 feet, rate of climb 800 feet per minute, wing loading 12.5 pounds per square foot, power loading 10 pounds per horsepower. The Alaska Aviation Museum purchased this aircraft on January 2, 1995. From February 1999 to June 2001, the aircraft underwent an extensive restoration by the staff and volunteers of the museum. This includes major repairs to the wings, fuselage, and empennage. A complete new interior was fabricated, new doors, both cabin access and baggage were fabricated, and the aircraft was recovered with polyfiber products fabricated and painted. During the restoration, the rear windows were removed and replaced with fabric to bring the aircraft back to its original appearance. This Waco was flown to Alaska in 1939 by Red Flensburg to establish Dillingham Air Service. It was also powered by Bud Branham, who operated the Rainy Pass Lodge in the Alaska Range. Gift of Mr. and Mrs. Elmer Rasmuson.